We show you 3 ways to make good money from Hawkit without performing the social media tags. Right. So for those who don't know what Hawkit is all about social media platform that pays you and I to perform social media jobs. All right. So if you have not yet registered, you go to your browser and type in Hawkit.ng and use my invite code GLORY54 to get a bonus while you register. Then you will see congratulations, you are now a member. If you click on earn, you can resell other people's product. This is where the big money is, and you can make good amount of money. What you can do is to come to this place and set marketplace. On this marketplace, select any product of your choice. Once you select it, you can see the product categories here. Then once you select it, you can now go and resell this product. All right, you can see this product here. Look at it here. You can see it. This is the product, which is this one. All right, so I'm going to show you how I'm making woefully money from reselling other people's product, and I have done full tutorial about this just using what? Facebook Marketplace. All right, so when you go to Facebook Marketplace, when you go to Facebook, you go to your dashboard, you see this marketplace, you click on it. Once you click on it, you create a listing, a new listing. I have done full tutorial. This page you sell, I've done full tutorial about how to list your own product on this platform. I want to show you something. This is a shop wallet successful that somebody purchased. You can see credit of 4,000, and this is another order for social media booster 140. This is another order from social media booster that is 200, and this one's also a social media booster from 1,031 naira. And so many of them. It's not only when you refer, it's not by referral. This is another product ID. You can see new advert place. You can see it. So this is another one. So it's not, look at it. This is another successful shopping. Are you getting me? So it's not only when you refer, you think it's only referring. No, it's not only referring. You can literally make money here. I have done how to advert. Put your own product on the marketplace. Once you resell this product using this Facebook, you can see it. This one is space advert. You can see, you can say anything on this. And the worst part of it is that this platform, these people has given you everything you need to resell this. All you need, just click on this reselling button, generate it. This one, and when you say parcel is 2,600 naira. So imagine selling this product, maybe you list it, and once you list it, it's there for life. It's there for it until you go and delete it. You click here to generate your own link. All you need to do is just copy and paste on Facebook, and you keep making sales. It's not only by posting ad, doing all these social media jobs. Their money is not much high, but if you want to earn high money on Hawkit, like 4,000 and above, 2,000 and above for selling products, then jump into this. All right, this is all I have to tell you. Don't sleep on this platform. It's a way to make money right from the comfort of your home, just using your smartphone. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. I'll get back to you. Ciao, ciao. See you on my next video. Peace and love.